cybersecurity, adaptation of 3D printing,
advancements in robotics,
cybersecurity,
3D printing,
robot assisted.
आप भी जानते हैं कि ऑब्जर्वेशन साइंस का मूल आधार है। ऑब्जर्वेशन के जरिए आप साइंटिस्ट पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं, फिर उन पैटर्न्स को एनालाइज करने के बाद किसी नतीजे पर पहुंचते हैं।
Here comes data science in play. So basically, data science is just studies and analytics of data, and people who do it professionally are known as data scientists. Big MNCs use data of the users to analyze their watching hours or number of orders or any common detail in them. And then they analyze the data and either show their customers similar movies or web shows they previously watched or things they ordered from the app. Data science, a term buzzing in the ears of the new generation, represents a captivating field drawing in waves of students and young minds. It's indeed a realm ripe for exploration and study. Essentially, data science revolves around scrutinizing data to glean meaningful insights for businesses. It's a fusion of various disciplines such as mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering, orchestrated to dissect vast volumes of data. Through this analysis, data scientists seek answers to questions like what happened, why, what's next, and how to leverage the outcomes. And an interesting fact, if you wanna know, that data science has been hailed as the coolest job of the 21st century. And this is not just a hyperbolic claim. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts the number of data scientist roles to grow 36% between 2021 and 2031, a clear testament to the growing significance of this field. The average salary for a data scientist, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, is $100,000, while an analyst is $70,000. To download all the information from the internet today, it would take 181 million years. Every 2 days, we create as much information as we did from the beginning of time to there are nearly as many pieces of digital information as there are stars in the universe. Less than 0.5% of all data we ever create is ever used or analyzed. According to Pragmatic Works, global businesses lose about 20 to 35% of their operating revenue from poor quality data. Now you would wonder, what is the significance of data science? It amalgamates tools, methodologies, and technologies to derive meaning from data flooding various sectors like e-commerce, medicine, and finance. From text to audio, video, and images, data inundates every facet of human existence. Before data science had been fully developed, it had taken researchers 11 to 12 years to complete the processing of millions of test cases. That timeline has been shortened to months and even weeks. Data science has helped improve diagnostic accuracy for several health problems. The company Analytic uses data science to read X-rays and CT scans to get 70% more accurate results, 80,000 times faster. Delving deeper, understanding the roles within data science enriches the journey. Data scientists, they are a hybrid breed, blending mathematics, computer science, and trend forecasting. With roles spanning from data discovery to forecasting algorithms, they are in high demand across business and IT sectors. Poor data can cost the US government about $3.1 trillion a year. If you burn all the data created in one day into DVDs, you could stack them on top of each other to reach the moon twice. The data science process unfolds in a series of meticulous steps. It begins with problem identification, followed by data collection from diverse sources, cleaning, analysis, interpretation, and ultimately communication of insights to stakeholders. With the basics covered, let's explore the vast career landscape within data science. Data scientist. The role of a data scientist is problem framing, data mining, and presentation of relevant insights. Skills needed to be a data scientist is programming proficiency, storytelling, data visualization, and familiarity with tools like Hadoop and SQL. Data analyst. The role of a data analyst is bridging data science with business analysis, organizing and analyzing data to answer organizational queries. Skills needed to be a data analyst are statistical expertise, programming skills, data wrangling, and visualization proficiency. In order to be a data engineer, the role of a data engineer is crafting and managing data infrastructure and pipelines to support data scientists. Skills needed are proficiency in NoSQL databases, programming languages like Java, Scala, and frameworks like Apache Hadoop. Despite its challenges, the data science arena offers an array of tools to empower professionals, from data analysis to warehousing, visualization, and machine learning. A plethora of tools enriches the data scientist toolkit.
Embarking on the journey to become a data science engineer or data analyst entails following a well-defined roadmap that encompasses proficiency in various key domains. Mastery of these fields is essential for excelling in the dynamic realm of data science. Probability. Absolutely, probability theory is a fundamental aspect of data science and is essential for understanding uncertainty and randomness in data. Here are some key topics within probability theory that are particularly relevant for data science, like joint probability distribution and discrete distribution, and many more. Programming. A strong foundation in programming is essential for success in data science. Here is why proficiency in programming concepts such as data structures and algorithms is crucial, along with the significance of various programming languages commonly used in data science, like Python, Python Basics, List, Set, Tuples, and many more. Machine learning. Machine learning is indeed a cornerstone of data science, and staying updated with advancements in ML algorithms is crucial for data science. Here is why understanding the basic algorithms of supervised and unsupervised learning is essential, along with the significance of popular libraries in Python and R for implementing these algorithms. For example, introduction, how model works, basic data exploration, and many more.
Data science has made significant contributions across various domains, transforming industries and improving our daily lives in numerous ways. Here are some examples of how data science has impacted different sectors. In identifying cancer tumors, Google's continued efforts in applying data science to healthcare are indeed remarkable. Lina represents a significant advancement in cancer detection, particularly for identifying breast cancer tumors that metastasize to nearby lymph nodes. This task can be challenging for human interpretation, especially when the cancer growth is small and subtle. In modeling traffic patterns, Streetlight's innovative application of data science to model traffic patterns represents a significant advancement in urban mobility planning. By harnessing vast amounts of data from sources such as smartphones and in-vehicle navigation devices, Streetlight creates detailed and up-to-date traffic maps for North American streets. In making predictive insights in basketball, RSPCT's shooting analysis system represents a groundbreaking advancement in basketball analytics, providing NBA and college teams with real-time insights and predictive capabilities to enhance player performance and strategic decision-making. By leveraging a sensor installed on the basketball hoop's rim equipped with a tiny camera, the system precisely tracks the timing and location of each shot attempt, capturing valuable data on shooting accuracy and shot selection. In detecting tax fraud, the modernization of fraud detection protocols by the IRS in response to the prevalence of tax evasion in the digital age highlights the agency's efforts to combat financial crimes and ensure compliance with tax laws. By leveraging various sources of data, including public, social media data, metadata, email, and analysis and electronic payment patterns, the IRS constructs multi-dimensional taxpayer profiles to identify potential indicators of fraudulent activity. In improving online gaming, Activision Blizzard's utilization of big data and machine learning to enhance online gaming experiences exemplifies the intersection of technology and gaming in the modern era. As the company behind popular titles like the Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Candy Crush, and Overwatch, Activision Blizzard leverages advanced analytics and data science techniques to improve gameplay, enhance player engagement, and maintain the integrity of its gaming ecosystems. In conclusion, the burgeoning demand for data analysis presents a compelling career avenue for those inclined toward problem solving, statistical analysis, and innovative thinking. If you harbor a penchant for these traits, delving into the realm of data science could be a rewarding journey.